Let us look at the next question now. This is from the year 2023. Consider the following statements. According to the Constitution of India, the central government has a duty to protect the states from internal disturbances. Statement 2. The Constitution of India exempts the state from providing legal counsel to a person being held for preventive detention. Statement 3. According to the Prevention of Terrorism Act, that is the POTA Act, the confession of the accused before the police officer cannot be used as an evidence. How many of the above statements are correct? Statement number 1. According to the Constitution, the central government has the duty to protect the state from the internal disturbances. This is true because the central government is mandated to protect the states from the external aggressions and from the internal disturbances. So this statement is correct. Statement 2 says the Constitution of India exempts the state from providing legal counsel to a person who is held for preventive detention. A person accused under normal laws, he has certain rights like getting a legal counsel, produced before the magistrate within 24 hours after being arrested. But all these provisions, they don't apply when it is the arrest under the preventive detention laws. So this statement is also correct. Statement 3 says, according to the POTA Act, the confession of the accused before the police cannot be used as evidence. Now, this is an extraordinary law made to deal with the terrorism. So here there is an exception, and even if it is a confession made with the police officer beyond a certain rank, it will be used as evidence. And because the statement says it cannot be used as evidence, it will be incorrect. Now, how many of the above statements are correct? Statement number 1 is correct, 2 is correct. So 2 statements are correct. Answer will be B. This is how you would solve it in the exam. Now let us go through the in-depth explanation. Statement number 1, it talks about the central government's duties in protecting the states for internal disturbances. So as per the Article 355, the central government has the duty to protect every state against external aggression and the internal disturbance, and also to ensure that the governance of the state is carried on as per the provisions of the Constitution. And statement number 2, in the Article 22, we have certain rights for people who are arrested or detained. So for somebody who is arrested or detained under the ordinary law for normal purpose, normal violations of the normal acts, that person has the right to be informed about the grounds of arrest, on why he is arrested. He has the right to consult and defended by a legal practitioner, that is an advocate. He has the right to be produced before the magistrate within 24 hours, excluding the journey time. It's not including, it is excluding the journey time. And he has the right to be released after 24 hours unless the magistrate authorizes further detention. These are all the protections given for somebody who is arrested under ordinary law. But the exception to this is for somebody who is arrested under the preventive detention law. These protections which I talked now, they don't apply. And also to an enemy alien, these protections don't apply. So that is why the statement which says the Constitution exempts the state from providing legal counsel to a person held for preventive detention. Yes, the protections which were given for arrest under ordinary law, they don't apply to preventive detention law. Hence, the statement is correct. Coming to the last statement, the POTA Act or the Prevention of Terrorism Act, it does allow for the admissibility of the confessions which are made to a person not below the rank of SP, that is a superintendent of police, because this is an extraordinary law. And the section 32 specifically tells that any confession which is either recorded written or it is recorded through videography in the electronic means, they can be used as an evidence in the trial during the court proceedings. So hence this statement, because it told that it cannot be used as evidence, this becomes incorrect. So answer will be B, only 2.